They all thought I wouldn't make it. They all think that you're faking, but seeing ain't believing. I know now. I take all your stupid, burn it as my fuel, yeah. 'Cause we're running out of time, so I'm gonna make it mine.
The chosen one, I'm not the one to underestimate. I want the throne, I loan the crush, obstruction, rush the barricades, levitate. Got it tatted on me, told them follow me. They see the vision, now it's 2020, clear as Tahoe Lexus, clear as day. No longer move around in fear, disarray. Pray you hear me like the winter wind against your window pane. Feel the bass, baby, soak it in and let it marinate. It's time to hustle, gotta muscle up and run through barricades, yeah.
What is up, guys? It's another weekend and it has been a really long, stressful week for all of us, I guess. So, yup, this time over here, I've got the Hot Wheels edition. It's got 3 out of 10 in night burners. It's none other than the 88 Honda CRX, guys. One of the coolest JDMs. Like, at the front, it looks so damn aggressive, but we expect it to be a sedan, and then suddenly it turns out to be a hatchback type of a car. But still, it is a cool sports car, guys, and I can't wait to unbox it. It has that cool black color, no other detailing, just the black color with that golden rims. It really suits it, guys. Like, compared to any other color, it suits it. And yup, before we get into this car, we gotta talk about the last week's video. Well, yup, you know what was the last week's video? The muscle car. The 18 custom Ford Mustang, guys. It was so damn cool. Like, you know, the bumper flipping thing. It was really nice. And yep, we didn't have the quick quiz. I'm sorry to tell this, guys. I'm skipping the quiz for this month too. I'm so sorry that I can't put that, but it'll be coming shortly, guys. I'm so sorry that I couldn't put it. So yup, let's move on for this unboxing. So let's unbox this car and take it around. Look. Okay, guys, so here the Honda CRX is out of the box, and you guys can see that it does have the tail lamp detailing with the Honda logo, and also the exhaust is quite large compared to other cars, and the front has no detailing at all. Like, not even the headlamps, not even the turn indicators, none. But still, guys, it has that cool goldish rims, which is so damn nice. And yep, it has the side view mirrors, and my most favorite, guys, it has the transparent glass with a gray interior. That's really attractive, guys. That's so damn attractive on this car. So the best part on this car I liked is the wheels and the interior, guys. That's all I really liked. And of course, the tail lamp detailing is done very, very cool, and the stock spoiler is also quite attractive. So yup, there's a round look of the car. So it's time to know something about this. So let's move on to the information, guys. Finally, it's time to talk about the information of the 88 Honda CRX, guys. So let's begin with the production. The production actually began in 1983 and it continued till 1991, guys. That's quite a good production number for Honda. Well, move to the body style. The body style is actually a 3-door coupe. It's not a hatchback, guys. It's a 3-door coupe. Well, move to the engine. The engine is actually a 1.5 liter inline 4-cylinder, guys. Many people say it's a dual overhead cam engine. Well, good for this car. It's really nice to have a dual overhead cam. But the disappointing part is that it's a front wheel drive. That's the only disappointing thing. Well, time about the transmission, guys. You get a 5-speed manual. There is no automatic option. Well, you know, the 5-speed manual is still the best thing. Well, time about the horsepower, guys. This car packs up to 92 horsepower. That's just an average city car's horsepower. That's way too less. Well, time about the length, guys. The length of this car is 3,755 millimeters. Time about the width, The width of this car is 1,675 millimeters. Talking about the weight, the current weight of this car is 872 kilograms. That's less than a Ford Fiesta. That's so damn light. It is very cool, guys. Well, talking about the 0 to 60 time, this car does it in 9.7 seconds, and it is also an impressive number. Well, moving to the best part, that's the top speed, guys. So the top speed of this car is actually 120 miles per hour. That's 193 kilometers per hour. That's not a bad top speed. And moving to the last part, that's the price, guys. The price is actually ranging from the $1,800 to $6,500. Once again, it's like the rust bucket condition to the brand new car type condition. Well, yup, as I've ended up the info, it's time for the special facts. So let's see what it's got over here. Okay, it's a big one. So the name CRX stands for Civic Renaissance Mall X, although some believe it's an acronym for Civic Racing Experiment. So yup, the CRX stands for Civic Racing Experiment. I don't know what's the first one mean. So yup, guys, here I've come to an end of my video. Oh, one more thing, guys. The ratings, I'm gonna give it an 8.5 out of 10 because it misses the detailings at the front, but still it has a lot of cool detailings, guys, on like especially on the rear and the wheels. I really like them. So yup, here I've ended up the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you did, just share it to all other people too. And I'll see you all next week with a brand new car. Stay tuned till then. Bye-bye now. Also, comment your ratings. I'll check them out. Bye.